This is pinakbet with rice. So let's go try and eat. This is kabocha squash that you use for pinakbet. So this you're gonna use. Here you go. We're gonna slice now. String beans. It depends on you how you cut your string beans, how long you're gonna cut. Oh, I do what I always do. So now this is the okra. I cut the end. And I cut the other end too. You have to slice one slice. Diagonal like that. Here's the bitter melon. In Tagalog, you call this ampalaya. This is really bitter. I sliced this one and then I sprinkle some salt and let it go for a while for maybe 10 minutes. That way when you cook, it's not too much bitter. Onions, the garlic. There's enough garlic.
Do we need to take a break for your tears?
I'm okay. So here's the pork. It's up to you what kind of pork that you would like to mix in your pinakbet. But sometimes I like the pork with a little fat because that adds flavor. Instead of using the oil to fry, I render down the fat and then use the oil for the stir fry. This is the shrimp paste. You call this in the Philippines is bagoong. It's up to you. You have your own choice if you want to put this or not. But to make the pinakbet really good, you have to put this maybe 1 teaspoon. It's kind of a stink, but it tastes good. Get the wok, and then we have to put this pork, and then let it cook until it turns brown, and then the oil. When it's done, I take the pork out, put the garlic, the onions, stir fry. I put this squash first, because this squash is a little need to cook. Then string beans, then all of this vegetable. Then after that, I mix with the shrimp paste or bagoong and stir fry. I don't put any water because I don't like watery. But if I notice kind of dry, then I have to add a little bit of water. You don't need the pinakbet like saggy and watery. The last one is the eggplant because you don't want the eggplant to be saggy. I did the pinakbet and we show this to you. And for me and my daughter, we'll eat this tonight for dinner. Oh my god, it looks so good, chili. This is really good. You want to try? It's so easy, the pinakbet to make. I hope you guys can try.
Salamat for watching and don't forget to follow for more recipes.
Salamat for watching my videos today and I hope you don't forget to watch every video that I gonna make. Salamat for watching. Keep continue to follow more recipes.